The all-new 2022 Lexus NX 350 delivers a long list of firsts, including the all-new Lexus Interface multimedia system, designed with the North American market in mind. From the refined spindle grille to the new full-width blade taillamps and Lexus rear badging, the new NX 350 emits a powerful message to those approaching the luxury crossover. At the front, the updated grille pattern and frame create a more integrated feel to the body of the vehicle. Made up of tall U-shaped blocks, the spindle grille is designed for a three-dimensional effect and creates a sense of depth while expressing a strong impression. Framed on top by the L-shaped daytime running lights, the optional 3 projector headlamps create balance with a more subdued impression. In the rear, the Lexus logo has been redesigned to create an advanced and modern expression. The use of the L emblem has been replaced by a new unified Lexus logo located at the center of the vehicle. A full-width blade rear combination lamp and an L-shaped lamp on the rear fender are separated to make the expression unique to the NX 350. The light bar lamps are constantly illuminated at night to function as a taillight and illuminate the rear brand signature. Guests can select from a variety of fresh NX 350 colors to suit their taste, including redline, cloudburst gray and Grecian water. For colors exclusive to F-Sport models, the palette includes ultra-white, obsidian, and ultrasonic blue mica 2.0. The NX driver-centered cockpit has been meticulously designed with a focus on connecting the driver to the vehicle. The 7-inch multi-instrument display and optional 10-inch head-up display, both NX firsts, are designed to convey vehicle information, alerts and updates within the driver's line of sight. The MID's single-meter layout is made more visible by a high-definition screen. Most driving-related functions are concentrated on the steering wheel to allow for intuitive operation while keeping the driver's eyes on the road. In the center stack, the standard 9.8-inch touchscreen puts an array of multimedia features within easy reach. The optional 14-inch touchscreen, a first for NX 350, delivers an immersive multimedia experience. Dial controls remain for frequently used functions like climate control and media volume. Comfort features, such as heated seat selection, are now more readily accessible. All enhancements combine to create a more user-friendly, digital in-vehicle experience. The 2022 NX delivers on the brand's well-known interior cabin noise reduction with additional updates made to reduce road noise and exterior distractions. Inside, drivers can create an oasis with nature-inspired thematic ambient illumination, an optional feature that bathes the NX interior in a choice of 14 themes and 64 colors. Each has been carefully selected to express ephemeral emotions and evoke nature-inspired feelings, with themes including rainforest, waterfall, and sunset. Newly designed standard heated front seats and optional heated rear seats add comfort throughout the cabin. Guests will also notice increased head and legroom with the adoption of the Lexus Global Architecture platform for SUV. Additional storage space has been added in the rear cargo area. In a first for the NX, the panoramic moonroof gives both the front and rear passengers the ability to see the sky with just the push of a button. Its smooth gliding opening and closing motion provides easy stargazing or additional airflow on a sunny day. The new lower center of gravity and enhancements in vehicle rigidity allow for a higher horsepower 2.4 turbo gas engine on the NX 350. The new 8-speed transmission provides the gas-powered NX the feel of a performance vehicle with the higher perspective of a crossover utility vehicle. This is made possible by improvements to torsional rigidity through laser peening welding and the addition of high-rigidity foam, both Lexus firsts. The twin hood lock, also a brand first, adds front lateral flexural rigidity and improves the aerodynamics of the vehicle. The exciting turbo gas-powered engine boasts an estimated 275 horsepower and 317 pounds-feet of torque. Combined, these result in a 0 to 60 time of 6.8 seconds, a half-second quicker than the previous model. Additionally, the NX 250 provides a naturally aspirated gas engine to round out the options for guests interested in a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder gas engine with start-stop functionality. With an 8-speed transmission, this model is available in both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive options, delivering an estimated 203 horsepower and 184 pounds-feet of torque. Combined results in 0 to 60 times of 8.2 seconds for front-wheel drive and 8.6 seconds for all-wheel drive. The all-new NX will come equipped with the latest Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 for additional peace of mind in certain scenarios, including risk avoidance. Emergency steer assist helps support collision avoidance within the lane by providing gentle braking and steering operation. Left turn oncoming vehicle detection, designed to provide a warning and automatic braking if the driver turns left in front of an oncoming vehicle. Right or left turn oncoming pedestrian detection, designed to provide a warning and automatic braking if a driver turns left or right in front of an oncoming pedestrian or cyclist. Oncoming vehicle detection, added to the pre-collision system, designed to alert the driver and potentially activate automatic emergency braking to help avoid a frontal collision. Dynamic radar cruise control with curve speed management maintains a cruising speed in alignment with the flow of traffic while managing speed on curves. The following will be added to the current Lexus safety system features for NX 350. Road sign assist displays select road sign information in the instrument panel. Pre-collision system provides the potential to detect a preceding vehicle, pedestrian, or cyclist in low light situations. Lane assistance designed to provide an audible alert if an inadvertent lane departure is detected. Intelligent high beam provides greater visibility for drivers with added illumination when the road ahead is clear, then temporarily switches to low beams when it detects the headlamps or taillamps of vehicles ahead. Road sign assist uses a built-in camera to help provide road sign information in the instrument panel or even on the available head-up display. The system can also alert the driver of certain detected signs that otherwise might have been missed. The all-new digital latch system enables doors to open smoothly at the touch of a button when entering or exiting the vehicle. And by scanning the environment, Safe Exit Assist alerts the driver and passengers to avoid the risk of accidental contact with vehicles and cyclists, helping ensure safe openings and closings. The new optional digital mirror provides a clear view of obstacles behind the vehicle. The all-new 2022 NX 350 will start production in the third quarter of 2021. Pricing will be announced closer to the on-sale date.